Just imagine this is the road. This road is not up to 6 months. Look at it. Look at it. Up to 6 months. This road is not up to 6 months. For people celebrating Ben Kalu, Honorable Ben Kalu, look at it. This road is not up to 6 months. Look at the gutter. Just imagine this thing. Not up to 6 months. Look at it. Tomorrow you people will say you do road for Uzitem. Is this thing road? Please, Governor Olesoti, come and do road for us. We need a road. We need a better road construction in Uzitem. Look at it. Is this thing a road? Look at the gutter. Not up to 6 months. Look at it. In Uzitem, uno muranya binikom. Gahafi the civil choir. Yes, we appreciate it. You know, I made a game is bozo. Abu Guru in sinking cinema, West Side Loza. Look at. Trailer by here 2 times. Mini Juan here on the Puria Lilo. Vukota relay here, Aquas Yarenka, Vueleko. Anala here, maybe some said that here was an Kageti, as we did, Chiboya, look at Gota. 18 Konya half is here. Look at it. Just imagine. This is no road. Governor Lesoti, please come for our rescue. Come to it, and we need you here. We need Governor Lesoti to come for our rescue. Come and rescue us. We don't have a good road. This is no road. In less than 6 months, all this thing flood we pull everything out. Please. This is no road. I'm telling you honestly. This is no road. Even though yes, live and when Lord it is smooth, but I don't know now. When you want to do road, not to do political road. This is a political road and it is not good for us. Thank you.